Not bag of cash, just dirty laundry. Shiv Sena MLA Shirsat hits back at Oppn over viral video. Maharashtra MLA Sanjay Shirsat from Eknath Shiv Sena has spoken out after a video of him smoking a cigarette next to what appears to be a bag full of cash in his bedroom went viral. The video, which emerged late Wednesday, quickly sparked political debate, especially after Shiv Sena UBT MP Sanjay Raut claimed it confirmed his earlier accusations of corruption in the Shinde camp. In the clip, Shirsat is seen casually sitting on a bed, smoking, with a large bag beside him. The bag has led to online speculation, with opposition leaders alleging it contains illicit cash. Sharply responding, Shirsat dismissed the allegations. "I saw the video myself through a friend from your channel," the minister told reporters. "What does it show? It shows my house, my bedroom. I am on my bed, my beloved dog is next to me, and there's a bag near me. So what does this prove? I'm hoarding cash." This man in the video is a cabinet minister in the government of Maharashtra. The crucial question is, will CM Fadnavis G sack this man? He has received an income tax notice yesterday. His scams have been exposed by us in recent times, but the arrogance of this man is https://kj4txhvqww Aditya Thackeray AU Thackeray July 11, 2025. Refuting the cash bag theory, Shirsat explained that it contained clothes from a recent trip. "I had just returned from travel. I had kept my bag on the bed after unpacking my clothes. If I really wanted to hide bundles of cash, do you think I'd leave it on the bed? Are the cupboards in my house dead or broken?" he asked sarcastically. "If I had cash, I would have stuffed it safely in a wardrobe." Criticizing his detractors, Shirsat remarked, "These people see nothing but cash everywhere." Earlier, they claimed security guards of Eknath Shinde carried bags of money too. "They think if there's a bag, it must have cash. They can't even imagine that people travel and pack clothes." Swipe left for next video. He also dismissed concerns that the leaked video could harm his political career. "Such drama will not dent my career. If someone shot a video inside my house, so be it. I have nothing to hide. I don't run my house like Motto Shri with closed doors. Anyone can come in, there's no secrecy," he said. The MLA concluded his rebuttal with a final jab. "Next time they find a bag, they'll call it cash again. These are clothes, not currency notes," he said. As political tensions rise, Shirsat's camp insists the controversy is just another attempt to target him ahead of crucial political moves in Maharashtra. Latest blogs.